Hello, my name is Tango Danju. Really sorry I couldn't use the webcam because whenever the camera is on, the recording stops at some point. So I had to off the camera so I could do the recording. So this application, the code generation generator application, uses out login and logout feature. So I'm going to log in now. The login button is redirected to the login form. So I already have an account. I'll log in, continue with Google. Okay. So it's actually taking some time. Alright, so now this is the home page. So I actually placed a condition that if the user is logged in, the navigation will display and also the home page. So it's actually a code generator site, and with the click of a button a new code will be generated. So it also has some feature which you can share on social media. You can copy and also the voicing
If
read
A is
aloud
success in
feature.
life, then A equals X plus Y plus Z. Work is X, Y is play, and Z is keeping your mouth shut. By Albert Einstein.
Alright, so we can actually search for, outside the search functionality, you can actually search for life and it will return all the results about life, about all the tags with life, all the codes with the life tag in the API. So it's gonna return that, and actually I can do the same thing for a particular author. Let's try out lousy. So it returns the whole codes from the author lousy, and it has about 41 codes in the database. I added pagination, limited the number of codes per page to 10. So that's it for the home page. Then the create codes is where the users can create a code. Currently I have no codes in the database, so it sends a greeting, hello, you are here to create a code, create one. So if I create a code, let's just put this here. I place this here. Let's say I put the category life and love. This is actually and I can actually put love, let's say life. Alright, now let's say the author's name is Andrew. So when a user clicks on the create button, it creates the user's codes, and the user also has a ability to perform the edit, put HTTP request. Let's say I add one to this, and I click the update button. It redirects to it pushes me back to the code creation page with the updates 1 and tg. Action, I can actually delete it. Ask if I want to delete. Yes. So that's it for the application I worked on, and I can actually log out as well. So that's all. Thank you so much, and bye.